Hi. Well, one of the things that hopefully will happen to us is that our body will get old. We all started young, actually very small, and this body grew and grew and grew and grew. And as time passes, it grows, and eventually it gets old. In old times, getting old was a virtue, It went with wisdom and experience and knowledge, and somebody that you can speak with and learn from. But today, mostly old age is associated with fear and pain and suffering and loneliness and things of that kind. But it doesn't have to be like that, We can change the videos inside ourselves, So if you want to make a change in you, in the way you think about your getting old, please join as you take full responsibility for your process. So, see what kind of picture do you have in your mind when you think about yourself getting old. I don't know which age you are now, 10, 20, 40 years from now. What does it look like? What do you look like? And see if there's any kind of fear or sadness or anger or disappointment or loneliness, any kind of negativity in that picture that internally you're visualizing when you see yourself getting old. Well, in fact, it's not you that's getting old, it's your body that's getting old, but that's a different story, But we are very much associating ourselves with our body. Well, it's these two separate things, It's almost like a car and a driver, So the car can get old, but the driver not necessarily get old in the same way or the same speed. But that's a different issue. So we're talking just, about your body getting old, or as we say it, I am getting old, See if there's any fear. Notice all the negative emotions that are there and give a number between 0 and 10 how intense the experience is. And you want to make a change in that, That's what you want. So please join me as you take full responsibility for your process. So you have a number, and you have the feeling, and we tap and you say out loud with me, I release and let go. I release and let go. Release the fear, the sadness, the anger, the disappointments, the loneliness, the vulnerability, being victim. I let it all go. I don't need it. I don't need it. It's safe to let it go. The truth is that I have no idea what will happen in the future. I have no idea. The future is unknown. The future is unknown. And it's okay. It doesn't frighten me. It's safe that it is unknown. It is meant to be like that. And it's okay. I let go. I enjoy my present time. This is the present. I let go of everything else. It's okay. Take a deep breath. So run the movie forward, fast forward 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years from now. See yourself getting old. Notice the emotion. Notice the expressions on your face. Any negative emotions. I let them go. I don't need them. I let go of the fear and the loneliness and the sadness and the weakness. I let it all go. I don't need it. It's like a poison for me now. It's weakened me. Causes unnecessary stress. The truth is I have no idea. And it's okay. I choose to be positive. I choose to have hope. I choose to trust life. I choose to enjoy my now. this present moment, to cherish it, to be kind to myself, to be kind to life. I just let go. So, run the picture, the movie in your head, fast forward, see what you look like. Is any still negative emotion out in you? And with me, they all disappear, melting away like a cloud, just melting away, taken away by the wind of life. My internal sky are clear, blue, sunny, and it's okay. Thank you for the gift of life. I just let go. We have no idea what the future is going to be like, what's going to come our way, what will happen or not happen. Yeah? So the best thing we can do is try as much as we can be in our now, enjoy it, contribute, do good things with our now, use it, in the best way we can. And if at all we want to think about the future, it's better that we think about it in a positive way, in a way that will strengthen us now. Because when we think about it in a negative way, it weakens us now. Our energy is leaking away. It takes from us. So it's better to have positive pictures now about the future, knowing that we don't really know what's going to happen. But we choose to be positive. And play positive and friendly and happy films, in this screen that is in our mind. So when we watch the movie, it makes us happy. It strengthens us, gives us health and power and confidence and hope. So you can change your pictures, the internal movies. You can decide what you want to see. Okay? So do again this fast forward 10, 20, 30 years from now. When you see yourself, where your body is older, and yet it is strong, flexible, full of life. Obviously it's a bit slower, or you can do less things, but then still it's alive. And you happy. See yourself happy, see yourself smiling, surrounded by friends, by family. There's love around you. You're useful, you're doing things, you're contributing. It's a pleasure to be with you, and it's a pleasure for you to be with things and with life and with people. So have these imageries. Create these internal movies, and you see them on your screen. When you think 20, 30, 40 years from now, that's the movie you see. You see yourself, but your body is old, but it is healthy, and you are happy. And allow yourself to feel this joy, the wisdom of old age, the grace, the peaceful, the stillness that is in there. No longer you need to run about, you just can be with life in a gentle, soft way. Okay? With me. I choose to be like that. I choose. And it's safe for me to choose like that. It's my right. I cherish the moment. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for the opportunities, the challenges. It's okay. I'm strong enough. All is well. Remember, we have the power to choose about our now, what kind of feelings we want to see about our future. So look after yourself, do good things, be kind to yourself, be kind to other people, offer help whenever you can. All the best.